Good evening, Diggle and Dad, Philippines Beach Pub.
Like a light ball.
End of the day.
And like ball.
Wow, there's the kitchen. And there's the clouds reflecting the sunset over the lighthouse. The BALER lighthouse. It's right on the tip of that mountain top. My camera won't zoom in any farther. But I thought the sunset over it was really nice. I don't know how good this camera's picking it up, but there's some nice colors. So that's just a reflection because this is east. The sunset's right here. See it behind this cloud. That's west. That's where the sun's setting. But it reflects over here. Nice breeze. I don't know if you can hear it in the camera on the audio. But by the way, Steve, if you're watching this, I think you hit it this time. I really don't know what's around this corner here, this mountain. Might be another like cove inlet like you showed on yours. And I really don't know, I haven't walked all the way up this way to see what's around that bend. I know if you go farther up this way, they don't have as many rocks and coral as we do. So that's where everybody goes to swim, up this way, because it's clear. Just down here, unfortunately where I live, it's not clear. But I think you got the right spot. I'm curious to where those 3 cubos were that you were showing though. They look a lot like mine, but I can't believe it would be mine because mine are very new. Unless that was a live satellite picture, like taken a very short time ago, which I don't think it was. But an even better thing than Apple Maps, I think, is if you go to Google Earth. I think you have to download it or upload it, whatever. It's Google Earth. You can find every little street and every little town. And you can zoom right into people's houses. Because I remember doing it at my house in Florida. I could actually find exact house. It was an older picture. It wasn't freshly painted like I had just painted it. It was an older color. But you could find it on Google Earth. So maybe try that just for the hell of it and then send me the video. You could probably find this property and zoom right in. Hey, there goes the reflection of the sun now. Pretty much gone away. I wish I had a better camera that would zoom all the way into that lighthouse. But I don't. One day I will. But for now, say goodnight, Katjan. Say goodbye, everybody. Bye, everybody. Come on, look at the camera. Say
Bye.
Say subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe my channel.
No, you gotta look at the camera and say it.
Subscribe to my channel.
There you go. That's better. So I'm going to say goodbye with that. Leave me a comment, thumbs up. If you like these videos, I'll keep doing more. Tingling down, beach bum out.
Mama, I'm tickling.